In this video, I will show you how to power on your Android phone when it's been shut down. If you're in a plane or if you didn't use it for a long time, the way you start it, it's actually very similar to how you shut it down also. On Android phones, usually you have on the left side or on the right side some buttons, but for the power and volume buttons, they are usually on the right side of the phone as you look at it like this. You can tell which side is the top and which side is the bottom from the cameras. The cameras are always on the top of the phone. So on the top here behind, then on the right you see volume up, volume down and power button. To start the phone, all you have to do is press the power button, but not just quickly short. You have to press, but not hard. Like you don't have to press it really hard to break the button. It's important to know the difference between pressing hard, too hard, and pressing long. So when you press, you feel the click. It's making a click. So once you feel that click, once you feel that this doesn't take much pressure, and you start the phone. Actually, I was thinking it's gonna take a bit longer with this one, but let's see. Let's try the other one. So on the right side of the phone, you find the volume up, volume down, and power. You press on it, not too hard, and just keep pressing long. Not too much pressure, just to keep the button pressed. And as soon as it vibrates or you see some picture on the screen, it means the phone is starting up and it's ready to use. It will need some time to start up. And usually you have to enter the PIN code. If you have a PIN code on the phone, this is where you enter the PIN code to be able to use the phone. So this one is on, and now this one is starting also. It might take a little bit of time. So all you have to do is press and press longer. Now this is going to shut down, but the idea is to press it and keep it pressed until it starts. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you. Oh, it's reading. Every time I put this one next to the other one, is trying to read the NFC tag on it. Like this. Top. There's nothing there. Thanks for watching.